Alessandra Hammond. I've been with Trane Technologies since January 2021, and I lead the global business operations team for integrated supply chain. I like to say that we bring people, process, technologies, and data together. We call ourselves the connectors and the enablers. Basically, we connect people, we connect teams, we connect different groups and functions to enable the business to operate. To me, sustainability, it's not only what we report in the ESG report, but it's also what we do every single day to make our life much better and easier. My team's impact on Trane Technologies' sustainability goals. One is we bring the data visibility to allow leadership to make informative decisions. But we also have a dedicated group that leads supplier diversity and sustainability. So we are connecting with procurement, legal, the CIS team, the environmental health and safety team, to really help to connect the dots between our purpose and our commitments, but operationalize these on a day-to-day basis. Feeling so empowered to bring something new to the business and never received a negative answer, but like, let me understand, let me listen, let me hear what you have to say, and empower us to make that impact. And I'm super excited of what the future brings.